Hang on. Yep. Good day. Today is a wonderful day. Blue skies, sunny day. And I'm gonna attempt a project on my car, and that is installing rotors and brake pads on the front and the rear of my Toyota Camry 98. Now, for this project, you're gonna need jacks, jack stand, and tools. Specifically, the large flathead screwdriver, socket sets, and a torque wrench. Oh, and disc brake pad spreader, and a breaker bar. First, I'm going to remove the wheels. Now, when inspecting pad lining thickness, you want to check the pad thickness through the caliper hole, which is this one, the inspection hole, and replace the pads if they're not within the specification, which is a minimum thickness of 1 millimeter. Now, let's check it out. Now watch this. Oh shit. I've been driving without a brake pad. Now there's a brake pad backing the plate, but there's no pad. There's nothing to measure. That's fucked up. To make things easier, you can turn it this way. There you go. I'm gonna remove this bolt. Next, lift the caliper up and suspend it securely. There's nothing on there. 2 anti-squeal shims on each pad. That's one. Out. Slide it out. You don't need a hammer. Oh shit. I'm gonna replace it with performance ones. Drilled and slotted. This is the front. This is the back. Make sure these boots move up and down nice and smooth.